Hello and welcome to Nellie Notions channel. Today I'm going to discuss this new template that I created. It is C++ in 15 steps. I had help with Notion AI. So Notion AI is awesome. It made this process much easier to create. This is free on Gumroad, and I will leave a link in the description below. And if you don't already have Notion, I will leave a link for that too. Okay, so I'm going to discuss this real quick, and then if you want to stick around, I'm also going to discuss my personal dashboard and my Notion Things sidekick that I'm also using. Okay, so this is just 15 steps, and then there's an overview. And I'm going to show you real quick. I'm going to go into step 1. And as you can see here, there is a resource, a topic, and example. And you can easily toggle to the next step right here using this button. So Hello World is the example. We have some information here, different pages in a database telling you what C++ is about, how to install an IDE, and comparison of different IDEs. And then there's some extra little tips and information here. There's also a quiz, and this is like a flashcard style quiz. And then you have homework, and there will also be little simple projects for some of these steps too. If you need the solutions, you just click here, and there are the solutions in case you get stuck or whatever. When you finish with the step, you're going to click here, and it will give you a prompt saying, are you sure? Did you do everything? Did you visit the resource? If you did, you can go ahead and click continue. Now, it does take you to the next step like these. The difference is that it will also mark it as complete there. And if you ever want to reset these, you can just go ahead and say reset steps. So there, it is no longer complete. I'm going to go over to step 15. You have little examples here. A quick quiz, just 2 questions. Projects and homework. And then this is just a multiple choice little kind of fun quiz to refresh your memory. So it will tell you, just do real quick, correct, incorrect. And yeah, let me go to the overview. The overview is going to have a brief overview, the overview and steps with little projects and homework. And then each step, all the information. You have the overview quiz, which is for each step. You can toggle them if you want. And that's it. It's pretty neat. There's a lot of information in here, a lot of examples. You even have short exercises. So like, let's say step 3, you want to go to a short exercise. You even have these little exercises. And in the short exercises, these solutions are right below it. But yeah, so that is C++ in 15 steps. And like I said, Notion AI really helped me to create this. And that's why it's free, because even though there was still quite a bit of work put into it, the coding and all of that, I was able to generate with Notion AI. So it was pretty cool. Okay, so now we're going to go into my planner. And what I'm using is I am using Sidekick by Notion Things, which is unbelievable. The level of detail that has gone into this thing is just fascinating to me. Now, of course, I have personalized it, and a part of that was that I used my all-in-one planner, which is on Gumroad, and I combined it with the Sidekick. So, of course, I can't sell this because Sidekick isn't my work. So even the combinations, I couldn't. I can only sell my all-in-one planner, and if you want the Sidekick, you have to go to Notion Things, and I will leave the links for everything below. But it's unbelievably amazing. I just want to point that out. I don't even know where to begin. There's a lot to it. I just wanted to quickly mention it. But as you can see, if you're familiar at all with my all-in-one planner, I have like log reminders for daily cards. Even if you're not familiar with the all-in-one planner, you may be familiar with my daily cards, and that is here. I haven't filled this one out yet. I'm using this little habit tracker that I created, and I'm not really sure. It's really neat, but I just don't know how to sell it because I haven't figured out how to explain the setup yet in an easy, user-friendly way. But it's pretty neat. So that's another one I like, although I haven't really been tracking this week. I was really good the previous week, but this week, I was sick, so. Okay, my neighbor's dog is barking. I have my period tracker over here. So with the Sidekick, it comes with like a little simple cycle tracker, but I incorporated my period tracker in here. What I really love about this is, there's so much, but I like the breakup of the personal, professional, academic. Like if I go into personal, there is expandables here. So this is all the stuff that fits in this category, whatever templates I have, and I could just put them right in here. It's so neat. So freaking neat. I don't even know how to, I don't know. This is my favorite template I've ever gotten. So I highly recommend it if you are going to spend money on a template. In my personal opinion, this is the way to go. And yes, I did combine it with my all-in-one, but it's not required. You don't need the all-in-one with it. I just have the all-in-one, my all-in-one planner in here because I like a lot of those things. Now also I wanted to talk about over here how clean this looks. So here I have my daily logs, and then I have my favorites here, and I can do quick views. This isn't a part of the Sidekick, this is part of the all-in-one, but I can see what I didn't log yet. Of course, my neighbor's dog is just going to decide to bark like crazy at midnight while I'm trying to film this video. Okay, so we're going to go to do, and I can see what's due today, what's due tomorrow. If I have projects or goals due today, they'll show up here. Now this right here is all 100% the all-in-one planner, which is why I like the I love the detail and the layout of the Sidekick, but I also really love a lot of the all-in-one planner that I created. So that's why I combined them. But I could go into this, talk about this probably for hours. So I just wanted to do a quick kind of glance over and show you, because I'm constantly changing my personal dashboard, and I feel like I finally am completely satisfied with it. And I really, unless Notion things comes up with something else, I really can't see me changing this. I just think it's perfect. So like I said, I will leave the links in the description below where you can get both of them. I can't combine them for you. You would have to do that on your own. As far as making a video on that, it was a long process. To be honest, I really don't want to repeat it. And I'm not the best at making these videos. So I don't see that happening. But yeah, it's pretty neat. Let me know what you think. And I guess that's it. Yeah. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you get the C++ template and you like it, please give it a 5-star rating. If for whatever reason you do not like it, you can always email me at jcwtemplates@gmail.com with any comments, suggestions. I really listen to my customers' suggestions, comments, everything, and I will incorporate change to my templates. Sometimes I make things and I don't realize it, what's wrong with it until other people start using it. So just let me know. And that's it. Thank you. Have a great day.